Hi and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. Today we're going to do a simple dresser. So let's get started. Um, let's see. Create a box. What's going on there? That's not bad. Like that. Maybe a little thicker. 2 boxes wide. All right, and we'll validate. Let's duplicate that. Oh. Let's make this a little bigger. Okay. Let's rename this so we're not as confused. That's the top. Dresser. All right. And now we are gonna create, let's duplicate that. Cabinets. Cabinete. It's not the Spanish word for cabinet. I think armario is. All right. Let's do snap. Okay. Front, we're gonna make those way smaller. And we're gonna put it over here. That's good. Okay. Make it smaller. That's not bad. All right. So we're gonna duplicate this and we're gonna put it to the side. And that's gonna be for, oh, needs to be a little, let's delete that. And that's so we can have, yeah, this needs to be a little smaller. So something like this. All right. Right around there. Okay, sweet. So go to front. And we're gonna duplicate this. And then just put it to the side. This is so we can create our cabinet from this one, but we also need all of these other cabinets so we can cut them out of the model of the dresser. So let's duplicate like that. Duplicate. And then duplicate. And that's pretty good. Okay, nice. Now let's add all these together. Nice. Do a simple merge. Let's see. Make sure this one isn't actually selected. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna do, cross that out, and then the dresser itself, and voxel merge. Sweet. We made our cuts, and we still have our little cabinet on the side here. Just gotta think about how you're gonna break things apart and how to make your life easier, because this can get complicated real fast. All right, and then let's duplicate this. We're gonna make it smaller, much smaller, right? And then we're also gonna duplicate this again, and it's gonna go to the front because it's gonna be like, what's it called? It's gonna be the top here. Nice. Okay. So then these two, these two. Okay. Um, all right. Smooth these. Okay, sweet. Now we can cut them out. Voxel merge. Sweet. And it's too big. Okay. Like that. That should give us pretty consistent thickness. So, voxel merge. Oh, sweet. All right. And one last thing, we want to be able to like pull it out. So we can just duplicate this and make this way, way smaller. Pull it out like that. And then make the thickness a little bit over here. Just like that. Nice, okay. And this can all be one part. Voxel merge. Oh, nope. We're going to do a simple merge because we want that. We want those edges. Sweet. All right. Now we got our cabinets here. Whoa. See, now we can go. Woo. Okay. Let's duplicate this. And we're going to make them all individual objects because we want, what's it called? We want them all to be movable for whoever uses these models. Okay. And that is pretty much it. If you want to stick around, I'm going to do the UV unwrapping, but otherwise this modeling video is done. And thanks for listening. Hope the process helps you plan how you're going to make stuff yourself or things like this. All right. Oh, these two dresser in the top should be treated as one. All right, that's fine.